What's going on? It's your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. On this episode, we're going to talk about, well, Sharif is going to talk about, this is our special guest, casual wear, business wear, and formal wear. So, with that said, well, before we get into that, make sure you guys, if you're looking for beard care products, if you're looking for casual wear, business wear attire, formal wear attire, the links are at the bottom. You will be able to find Sharif's business link at the bottom as well. And if you want to follow us on all social media platforms, you can find those links at the bottom in the description. Now that we got that off the table, Sharif, tell the great men out there in the world about who you are, what you do, and so forth.
Hey, my name is Sharif Nusario. I'm the founder and owner of Unique Threads, and what we do is we specialize in custom bespoke suits. So when I say bespoke, I mean bespoke. Everything from head to toe is designed by you. So glad to be here and glad to talk to you about, like B said, we're going to talk about business wear, we're going to talk about casual wear, and we're also going to talk about formal wear. So I hope you guys are ready. So first we're going to talk about business wear. So what you would wear to an important business meeting, a day in the office, or even a church. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna keep it very simple. Nothing too flashy, nothing too flamboyant. What I recommend is solid colors. So solid color, as you can see on this mannequin, it's a solid denim wool suit. I mean, wool, you can't go wrong with wool. It's very durable. You can wear it in all seasons, and it also looks and feels nice. And also, now let's pay attention to the details. As you can see, this suit has a notch lapel. So notch lapel and a notch slim lapel is perfect for a day in the office or to an important client meeting. You can also see other details like the buttons. So this is a single-breasted 2-button. What is recommended for business attire, business wear, would be single-breasted option, of course, and you'd want to go with maybe a 2-button or a 3-button suit. Look at the details on the suit. So what I like most about it is the color. This color is definitely unique, and the tie kind of pops and brings it out. It's nothing too flashy, nothing too extravagant. If you want to take it one step further, you can add a vest to the suit. That would definitely set you apart from anyone in the office or even in your church. So what as I said, with the business wear, you want to keep it very simple. What I have on is a perfect example. It's not too dressy. I have a nice window pane gray suit. You can wear a tie, you can not wear a tie. You have that flexibility, especially on a Friday like today. You don't have to wear a tie, and maybe you want to throw in a pocket square instead. But for the business wear, the rule of thumb is to simple is better. Simple is better in terms of the color, in terms of the pattern, and the style. This is as standard as it gets in terms of the business wear. You see, like I said, the notch lapel, single-breasted 2 buttons. You've just got a nice little breast pocket there. And you can't go wrong with just throwing in the vest to make it look, to throw up your swagger level that much more. I'll now turn around the mannequin so you can see the back. So you're gonna keep it simple, single vent, maybe no vent, but for business wear attire, simple is better, like I said, and this is a perfect example on this mannequin and also on me right now. In terms of pocket squares and lapel pins, not advisable for maybe an important client meeting, but maybe at church you may want to add some flair to your outfit and add a pocket square or add a lapel pin. In terms of the shoes, you have tons of options. You could wear Chelsea boots, you could wear Oxfords, you could just wear some high top, low top shoes. It also depends on the time and the season as well. So all those factors taken into account, we've got you covered in terms of the perfect attire for a day at work or a day in the office. This is an example of a casual look that you could wear to a concert or even on the weekend just out running errands. What I love most about this jacket is that the fabric kind of speaks for itself. It's an African print blazer. with a wide peak lapel. I just threw on a simple, solid black pocket square. Nothing too fancy, nothing too flashy. You don't need any patterns. The fabric kind of speaks for itself. It's a kente fabric with a variety of vibrant colors. What I love most about this is that you could wear it to a concert, you could wear it out running errands, and you'll be the center of attention. You'll get a lot of compliments. And it's not necessarily something you necessarily have to wear with dress pants. It could just simply be a pair of blue jeans and some boots, or even some, casual loafers, or even some Oxford shoes or Chelsea boots. This look has a wide peak lapel. You can also see that it's single-breasted, one button. Nothing too flashy. You don't need a double-breasted. The lapel, I think you could have made, if you wanted, you could have made this lapel a solid color, maybe a black satin. But as is right now, this is a great look, a great casual look. As I stated, you could wear it at the park, you could wear it on a date, concert, or just out and about on the weekend. I'll turn it around for you so you can see kind of the vents on the back. But it's a single-breasted, double-breasted would work, or even, single vent or a double vent would work. Even if you wanted to go with no vent, that's also an alternative as well. So I just want you to take it in, just take a second. And even on this model, what it looks like, it has a turtleneck. So you could even wear a turtleneck underneath, or it could be a button down, it could be, just a regular t-shirt. That's the flexibility with casual. You're not necessarily in that cookie cutter, I have to wear a tie, I have to button up my jacket. No, you have the freedom and the liberty to kind of just express yourself. So now this is another casual look. What you see here is a nice tweed blazer with the elbow patch. It's a classic look. Perfect for the winter, perfect for the fall. Nice, keeps you comfortable, and it feels good. This one you could wear a turtleneck. It could also be a button-down shirt. You could add a little flair to it and throw in a pocket square. But on this model, as you can see, it's no pocket square. But I'm just gonna turn it around for you so you could see, this is high quality fabric. And perfect. This is more so of a tweed or cashmere. The next look we're going to talk about is the formal wear. So my personal favorite. With the formal wear, the sky's the limit. Right here in front of you, what you see is a white wool tuxedo. So wool, of course, is on the high end of the spectrum when it comes to quality of fabric. You also have velvet as well, cashmere and tweed. This right here is a white wool tuxedo with a black shawl lapel. You could switch it up. You could do a shawl lapel. You could do a wide peak lapel. You could also do a unique U-shaped lapel that kind of is a little wider and kind of thins out right here near the first button. The beauty of the formal wear is that you're dressing to impress, so you're going to be the center of attention. Right here, this white look is a traditional look. It's kind of that sleek James Bond look with the white tux, and you also see, like I said, with the black shawl lapel. And just pay attention to the details for a second. So with the formal look, you can kind of go crazy. So you know how I was talking about earlier with the business look, you want to be conservative? Well, with the formal look, that goes out of the window. You see right here, there's a satin stripe on top of the flap. So you could do that, or if you wanted to, you could customize it and make this all satin. You could make it a different color fabric. The sky's the limit. So here, the beauty of this look is that you can go the single flap look, or you can tuck it in and it can look like a bezel. I'll now talk about the other features of the jacket. So this is a single-breasted option. With the formal look, you can go the single-breasted option. You could also even do the double-breasted. But for this look, I think single-breasted, one button or two button max. Now let's talk about the accessories. So you have your black bow tie, and you have this black polka dot pocket square. So you can switch it up however you want. I mean, the sky's the limit. I mean, there's lots of designs and lots of fabrics, lots of colors that you can choose from in terms of the bow tie and the pocket square. But this is just one simple, clean look. Not so simple, but elegant. Let's say elegant. I'll now turn it around for you, and you'll see that this is a no vent on the back. But you could either go with no vent on the back, or you could even go with double vents on both sides. That is my favorite, personal favorite, is the double vents on both sides. It kind of has that classic look, like look at me, I got a lot of swagger. And this is just one option. Another look that you could wear is maybe like a velvet. Of course, that's only something you would wear depending on the time of the year, the season. So of course, a velvet isn't something you'd wear in the spring or summer, but it's more so a fall, winter type outfit that you put together. But the beauty of this look is that, you know, it just screams like, it screams style, it screams fashion, it screams like, you know, swagger. And this is just one look. There are also multiple other options. Like I said, you could wear the velvet. You could also do a dinner jacket. The dinner jacket may have some type of embroidery on it. So like maybe a jacquard. Those have different types of patterns and styles. You could also do a dinner jacket that has like a print on it. So maybe like a paisley print. So that's the versatility with the formal wear. It's kind of like you're dressing to impress. You want to be on your A game. And this is one look. And like I said, you can do the velvet. You can also do the print look as well. Hey fellas, so we just went over the 3 looks. We went over the formal look, we went over the casual look, and we also went over the business look. Tell me which one is your favorite. Leave it below in the comments.